Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Twilio SendGrid email APIs, full guide step by step clearly. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. If you already have an account, select the Login option. For new users, choose Sign Up to create a free account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox and follow the link in that email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the Twilio SendGrid dashboard. Navigate to the API Keys section in the sidebar menu. Click on Create API Key to generate a new key. Provide a name for your API key, and select the appropriate permissions for your applications. After configuring your settings, click on Create and View. Make sure to copy the generated API key, as this is your only chance to store it securely. Next, access the Email API section from the dashboard. Here, you will find documentation and setup tutorials for integrating the email service. Choose the programming language or integration method you plan to use. Follow the specific instructions provided for your chosen method to implement the SendGrid API. Test your integration by sending a sample email using the provided example code. Once you confirm that the email was successfully sent, your setup is complete. You can now explore additional features and capabilities offered by the Twilio SendGrid email APIs. Continue to refine your integration as per your project's needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.